Hello everybody! Today we are going to talk about face masks. I'm going to show you several options of my favorite face masks. They can be used as an alternative to the products that you can find in store or online. Those are usually soaked in different substances that contain hyaluronic acid, collagen, different vitamins, extracts, and of course conservant to keep them fresh for a longer period of time. I use gelatin as a base for my face masks. It's great because it can hydrate dry skin, normalize oily skin, and helps rejuvenating for any skin type. The first face mask that I'm gonna show you has toning and brightening effect. For that, you're going to need a pressed cloth face mask, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of gelatin, and 40 to 50 milliliters of green tea. Soak your gelatin in cool green tea, then warm it up and let the gelatin dissolve. After that, add the lemon juice, and as soon as the liquid cools down, you can soak your pressed face mask in it. After that, apply it to your face for 20 minutes. Just drop it in and wait till it gets softer. Drop the pressed mask. This is what we get as a result. Apply this face mask on the clear skin. I personally don't really think that this should be something you should show on camera. And additionally, soak your mask a little bit more. I have a feeling this video is gonna be very funny for me. If you're gonna laugh, you're demonstrating the next mask. "20 minutes later. And she's back. After this face mask has been on your face for 20 minutes, rinse it with cool water. And right after that, apply your favorite day cream. For the next face mask, you're going to need sour cream, gelatin, water, and again a pressed face mask. And again, obviously. So for the next face mask, you're going to need the pressed mask itself, 30 milliliters of water, 2 teaspoons of gelatin, and 1 teaspoon of sour cream. Mix gelatin and water and let it sit for a little bit. After that, add your sour cream, warm it up, and mix it together. After that, soak your pressed face mask in the liquid and leave it on your face for 20 to 30 minutes. This is what you get as a result. Soak your mask into it, let it soak, and the next face mask is going to be demonstrated by Alexander. Come here. I said come here. Let's put a headband on you. I was trying my best, still didn't work. See, it's not working, it's not working. I'm not meant to be here. It's working. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. It's just you who doesn't want it. And what should we do about the beard? I don't know. Why did you need to grow it? Couldn't you shave? I don't shave for a really long time already. Maybe we shouldn't. Yes, you should. Maybe not. Yes. I think it's too small for me. Okay, fine. You're fired. So Alexandra didn't want to demonstrate the mask. Therefore, I'm going to be rejuvenating my neckline. Just imagine that this is my face now. Apply the face mask, make sure that it does not dry out. And time after time, add some more of the leftover solution to it. You are going to be surprised how soft your skin is gonna be. You can keep this face mask on for up to 30 minutes. "30 minutes later. After this face mask, you should rinse your face first with warm and then with cool water and apply a light cream. What was that sound exactly? It just feels so good. But you turned off the camera, right? Yeah, of course. Obviously you didn't. Of course I didn't. The next face mask is quite unusual. And watch this video till the end, because at the end we have a surprise. You are going to need apple puree and agar. In the previous video you have already asked me what is agar. It is actually a plant-based component that has similar effects to gelatin, but it is 5 times stronger. It is made out of seaweed. So you're going to need 500 milliliters of apple puree, which you can get in baby food section, and 20 grams of agar. Mix them together and let it boil. When it cools down, apply it to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. I am going to demonstrate this face mask on my neckline. Apply it evenly on your skin. "15 minutes later, a face mask made out of apples is full of antioxidants, vitamins, and microelements. It rejuvenates and tones up your skin. Cleanse your skin from the face mask with a wet wipe or warm water. And after that, apply your favorite hydrating cream. For the face mask, we didn't really need much, and therefore the leftover solution we just poured into forms and let them sit. As a result, we get all natural sugar-free jellies. After it stopped being liquid, you can cut it into cubes and place them on a plate. You can also add different toppings. I added some coconut flakes. So we got a face mask and a dessert. And now you know how to spend time with benefit, not only for yourself but also for the others. And while making a face mask, you can also make a dessert. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And always click the bell to be the first one to see our newest video.